Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is NAJWA from Group G and I'm going to show you how I answer question number 7, tutorial 4. So question number 7 says that banksurvey.com compiled a list of the top 100 banks in the Asian country according to the total assets. Following is the summary of descriptive analysis outputs. Study the output and describe in your own way what you can learn about the asset of these top 100 banks. So how I answer this question is that I interpret from this value. So the first one is mean. So the average value of assets owned by the top 100 banks in Asian country is RM76.5411 billion. Next is standard error. Standard error measure the error accuracy. A sample represent a population. So the closer the number to 0 means there is no error. So the error that can be expected based on the top 100 banks compared to the whole population is 17.93374. Next is the median. The value of asset that falls in the middle when the top 100 banks is in an ordered array is RM21.97 billion. Next is the mode. The value of asset owned by the top 100 banks that is frequently repeated is RM13.01 billion. After that is standard deviation. Standard deviation, the distribution for the top 100 banks asset is 179.3374. Sample variance, the asset owned by the top 100 banks vary from the mean as much as 32,161.9 billion. Next is kurtosis. Kurtosis, we can see here is positive number. So positive number, the positive value of the kurtosis, which is 22.2632, indicates that the distribution of the asset owned by the top 100 banks is more peak than normal. As well as skewness. Skewness, we see positive number. So a positive skewness means a longer tail on the right side of the distribution, which also mean right skewed, which mean mean is bigger than median and mode, and bigger than mode. Next is range. Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest value of asset owned by the top 100 banks is 1069.01 billion. After that is minimum and maximum value. So the minimum and the maximum value of assets owned by the top 100 bank is RM8.99 billion and RM1105 billion respectively. Lastly is the sum. The sum is the total of asset owned by the top 100 banks is 7,654.11 billion. That is all from me. Thank you.